Hello everyone, this is Suraj here. Welcome you all to my channel. Today we will set up an application load balancer with an autoscaling group. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, I will go to my AWS account here. You can see I am already logged in into my account. Okay, so first I will create one load balancer, that is application load balancer, right? I will create load balancer. We'll choose application load balancer here. Okay, I will name this load balancer as my ALB. Okay, and I will select all the availability zones which are available in the Mumbai region. Here you can see Mumbai region is selected. In the security group I will create one. Okay, it's still opening. Yes, I will name this as ALBSG. I will describe it like this. This is ALBSG and the PPC is this. The default PPC is selected. In the inbound rule I will open port 80 so that it can communicate over HTTP protocol. Okay, so I will allow everyone, means all the network, in the inbound rule, and will create the security group. Okay, this security group name already exists. Okay, then it will be my LBSG, right? This is my LBSG. Now it's okay. Now I'll create security group. It's now getting created. It's already been created. Now I'll refresh this and we'll choose that one, my ALBSG, right? So I'll remove this default one, and in the listener port you can see I have to create one target group. Okay, means which target will be connected to that elastic load balancer, that means application load balancer here. Okay, we'll create one target group. It's opening. Yes, the target group target type is instances, means EC2 instances. I will name this my TG. Okay, so health checkup is okay. Slash means root folder, that is here the root folder will be the if we install HTTPD service, then the root folder will be /var/www/html, right? So I will leave this as root. Okay, and the healthy threshold I will put 2. For unhealthy also I will put 2. Then interval I will put 10. Means in 10 seconds of interval health check will happen. Okay, and here the healthy threshold means 2 times. If two consecutive health checks passed, then it will be healthy, means it will be labeled as healthy. And for unhealthy also 2 times 2 consecutive health check. Okay, so I'll go to next. Here there is no EC2 instances. Okay, I will not register any instances. We'll create the target group. Okay, the target group has been created now. Now I'll refresh here and we'll select this target group, right? And nothing is there. We'll create the load balancer. Okay, we'll view load balancer. Here you can see it is still provisioning. Okay, I'll refresh. Yes, still provisioning. Till that time I will go to the launch configuration part. Okay, so to create one autoscaling group, first I will create one launch configuration. Okay, I will click on launch configuration. It is still opening. Yes, it's opened now. So what is launch configuration? So launch configuration is nothing but the definition of the targets. Here target means EC2 instances. So definition of EC2 instances means what will be the type of the instance, what is the AMI ID, what will be the security group for that instance. So everything will be defined in this launch configuration, right? So I'll create one. This is my LC. I will name this as my LC, my launch configuration. So what will be the AMI? So I'll copy this and paste there so that this AMI gets selected. So I will paste this. Yes, it is selected now. So instance type I will choose t2.micro. I have chosen this one. So spot instance nothing. So I will go to advanced details. So here in the user data I will paste the script. Here you can see it is installing HTTPD service. Up before that it has, the user has been switched to as root user, and after it is creating index.html file, and where the message will be greetings from the host name, right? So after that HTTPD service will be started. So in the user data I have put the same. Okay, so in the root volume you can see 8 GB EBS volume is there. Okay, I will create one security group here. So EC2SG. So I will name this as, this is EC2SG. Okay, so here you can see we can SSH into this port. Okay, we'll add another rule for HTTP. Okay, so proceed without keep here. I acknowledge, and launch configuration will be created now. Okay, it's now created. Okay, now I will go to auto scaling group. Okay, so I will create one auto scaling group. I clicked on auto scaling group. Yes, I will create one auto scaling group here. This will be my ASG. Okay, so here you can see two options are there: launch template or switch to launch configuration. So I will explain the difference between launch template and launch configuration in a different video. Okay, so for now I will switch to launch configuration. So because we have created one launch configuration only, not launch template, right? So I'll select this, my launch template. Here you can see this is the AMI, this is the instance type, and this is the security group we have created just now. Okay, I'll go to next, and in the VPC you can see the default VPC has been selected. I will choose all the availability zones, whichever available. So no load balancer is there. Okay, so attached to an existing load balancer. Here you can see one existing load balancer. Okay, so I will choose here one load balancer is there. Yes, you can see application load balancer, my LB is there, and with this load balancer my TG target group is attached. Okay, so here the target will be my TG. Okay, which will be controlled by HTTP my ELB, that is the application load balancer. Okay, so here I will select ELB also, so that ELB can do health check on those EC2 instances, and the health check grace period will be 120 seconds. I will reduce this. Okay, I will go to next, and desired capacity is the how many instances we want to run. Okay, so that will be the desired capacity. Suppose we want to run 2 EC2 instances. Okay, so this is the desired capacity, and maximum capacity is 10, means not more than 10. Okay, that means maximum 10 EC2 instance can run for if scale out happen. Okay, and one thing, the desired capacity must be less than must be greater than minimum capacity or equal to minimum capacity, and must be less than or equal to maximum capacity. Okay, so target none. I will go to next, and next, and now I will create the auto scaling group. You just see here total instances is 0 and desired capacity is 2. So updating capacity, you can see I will refresh this. Instance is 1, desired capacity is 2. Again I will refresh. Okay, now I will select this. I will go to activity. If you see here, failed means it was trying to launch one EC2 instance in AP South 1C, which is false, means it has failed because the type of that instance is not available in that availability zone. So it is actually launching the same in different two other availability zones. So the capacity is increasing from 0 to 2. Okay, after that it is from 1 to 2, like that. Okay, I will refresh again. Here you can see total instance is 2. Okay, so we'll recheck this. We'll go to instances. Yes, we can see 2 EC2 instances are running. Okay, so now I will go to the security group and we'll modify this EC2-SG. and we'll allow application load balancer only to communicate to those EC2 instance. Okay, not this one. We'll add one rule, HTTP. Okay, we'll select this SG, that is my LBSG, right, which we have created. This one, we'll save this rule. Okay, now we will go to the load balancer. If you see, the load balancer is in activated state, so I will copy the DNS of that load balancer and we'll paste this. It's still loading. Yes, greetings from this IP means this is the host name of one of the EC2 instances, and if I refresh this page, the host name should be different. Yes, you can see it is different now, 172.31.13.70. okay, so I will show you. I will go to the instance, I'll select this, and if you check this host name, this is one host name, 172.31.39.47. yes, this is the one, and another one is this. See, and I will again refresh this. Yes, you can see here. Now what I will do, I will modify the auto-scaling group now. I'll go to the auto-scaling group, we'll edit this, the desired capacity. Okay, the desired capacity I will edit it to 4. Okay, so another 2 EC2 instances will be launched, or I will do it 5. Okay, another 3 EC2 instances will be launched. Okay, I will update this, and if I go to activity, you can see, I will refresh here. Yes, pre-in service, it is trying to launch 2 to 5. Previously it was 2, and it is trying to launch another 3 EC2 instances, so that the desired capacity gets 2 to 5, gets changed to 2 to 5. Okay, so here you can see updating capacity from 5, the instances is 2. Okay, so desired capacity is 5, it is still updating. I will refresh this. Yes, total instances are 5. Okay, so I will go to instances. Yes, total 5 instances are running, you can see here. Okay, now you can see all the EC2 instances are running now, and the status are checked passed. Okay, so here you can see all the EC2 instances are healthy. So the load should get distributed between those 5 EC2 instances, right? So I'll refresh. Here you can see the host ID is getting changed. Yes, you can see here. Okay, that's it for now today, and we'll see you in the next video. And if you really like this video, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe, and press the bell icon. Bye bye.